Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I have got an amazing lesson for you, but before we can do that amazing lesson, you need to make sure you have closed logo. You cannot have logo open. If you're on the internet, what I'm going to show you is going to be in the description of the video, but in my classroom, I want you to simply double-click on Empty Tools. When the Empty Tools folder launches, I want you to simply double-click on Shortcut to ModTech, and then I need you to double-click on 01 logo, and then I need you to double-click Lesson 15, which has the amazing bship.lgo file. So, ladies and gentlemen, this entire program is run by simply double-clicking bship.logo. This toolbar may be hiding in the corner. Make sure you pull it out so you can see it. The project works like this. You're going to play Battleship. When you click the rules, it tells you you must put the turtle in the ship using the setXY command. We're going to use a special XY command that I've built for you that does a little bit of that work for us. Take turns launching. The person who sinks the most of the 3 ships wins. A ship is sunk only if the entire shot is in the ship. If you're touching the edge, that doesn't count. You may have to move the screen around to find all 3 ships. Sometimes we have to slide those sliders. Play for 10 or 15 minutes. See if you can get in the ship in less than 2 tries with setXY. To make the ships appear, click Reset. You'll see I've given you where -100, +200, +200, and -200 are, and then you simply need to get in the ships. We do that by typing P1 for player 1, and we type the X and Y we think we need to use to get in. I'm going to go 100 over, so this would be on the X, and I'm going to go 110 up. Helps if I actually hit all the keys. And then when I press enter, it takes a shot, and you can see that my player 1 shot was a miss. It also clears the text, so if you follow the rules and your opponents do not look, you can't tell what commands the person tried. Player 2 simply types P2, and they don't know the numbers I tried, so they're going to try different numbers, and when they press enter, this was a nick, so it does not count. So then it would be player 1's turn again, and they just need to try smarter numbers by typing their P1 and trying their new location, which I'm going to try 60 over, 70 up. Boom! That ship was sunk, so player 1 would have the first shot or the first sunk ship. If you ever need to clarify the rules, you can simply click through those again. If your ships ever turn out so they're landing on top of each other, you can always hit reset to just get 3 new locations. Notice they are randomly generated. This is what I mentioned by sliding to where you can see where they are located. You could also create a fancier game. If you choose to make your own version, make sure you do save as, choose your documents folder so that you can save the file as my bship. That way you can have fun and make it even more incredible, so you've got more ships, more options. Study the code, see what you can create. When you're finished, you can hit quit and it goes away. You can come back to it anytime because it is a pretty fun game. If you were playing on the internet, remember you had to download it so that you could put it on your computer and do that same double click. Friends, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a like. If you have any questions or comments, add them down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, mash that subscribe button and click notifications if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new movie from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.